Hey guys, this is Fabrizio and Riccardo here. So we decided to use Bacalhau to solve really common problem in decentralized storage, which is curation over content posted by anyone. So basically in decentralized storage, anyone can post any kind of content, and it's really difficult to evaluate what is being posted. So helped by Bacalhau computation power, we plan to assess videos for this use case, assess the quality of the videos posted in IPFS. So I let the word to Riccardo.
Hey, yeah, so essentially for this, as Fabrizio said, we're using Bacalhau, and the way how Bacalhau CLI works is that you can either make a computation within the terminal, but you can also make a computation with a Docker image that contains a script that is essentially performing this computation, and that's what we're doing here. So in our Python file, you find a script that is taking a video file out of IPFS. Ideally, this will become a huge list. You know, Bacalhau is all about big data, so we're using one video now to show the use case, and then we split this video into different images. So one PNG at the time. It's like essentially 1 frame per second, and we show you now how this works. So essentially in the beginning, we have done this already. You would build the Docker image and then push it to Docker Hub. We've done this already. Now the next step would be to essentially perform the computation with Bacalhau. So as you can see, we've already created a couple of them. And then what would happen is that you get the output, which are these different images, 1 per second, and you could perform more computations on it. Yeah, this data lives on Bacalhau. We have kind of like downloaded it. So if you want to do more computations on it, you don't need to download it, especially if it's big data. You don't want to, get every image on your computer, on your machine. You want to have it on a Bacalhau app or storage, and that's what's cool about this. Unfortunately, we weren't able to fully make this MVP happening. As you see, the output was essentially generated with our script locally and not with the Bacalhau CLI. We had some problem in the end to take the input and put it into our script and get the output. There were some errors. We weren't able to fix that, but our intentions are to make this possible after this hackathon and understand what went wrong, and then essentially perform more computations on the images. So the next computational script would then go over each image and check if there's some nudity, if there's some violence, etc. And then ideally create an API where applications that use IPFS can check whether videos in the IPFS storage have a certain criteria matched to their quality that they want to show to their users. So thank you very much, and peace.